Lepas tu kena lah buka yang kedua. Lebih baik kalau seperti ini. Pakai அப்படிதான் இதுல பார்வையில கட்டிக்கிட்டு இல்ல அவன் இருக்கு அந்த குட்டி அந்த மாதிரி என்னங்க செய்ய Dangit. Dangit 77. Dia berboy. Is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, no. This is not for kids. Panas bila? Serious? What? Staking. Jenga. We're stacking. Actually, I was thinking to buy for class because we have a 4 years old student. So, besides of giving a lesson of ABC, I thought that maybe we can enhance her IQ in terms of playing some puzzles. So I'm looking for the puzzles that suit her, but maybe I should try another store. So this one, all these are for my car book library, and if you notice, all are in Malay, and all of them is 3 ringgit, which is actually is 5.99 and it turned to be 3 ringgit. And all this more towards moral value stories, where like this, mari bercakap benar is called like speaking the truth, which all is good for children. Mari bersikap baik hati, be kind. Jangan mengabaikan kebersihan kendiri, which is don't neglect on your kebersihan. Clean. Okay, it's about a clean. Jangan bercakap bohong, don't tell lies. Ucapkan terima kasih, say thank you. Jangan bersikap keterlaluan, don't be too much. Bersikap keterlaluan, too over. And please correct me if I'm wrong, especially because it's been so long I didn't speak English, so my English might be rusty. So this is one way for me to improve my English, especially in speaking, in communication. So these are the flashcards, same price, which is 3 ringgit per each. You can see 3 ringgit. I'm not sure how much exactly the real price. Maybe afterwards I go and have a look. I'm not sure whether, oh yeah, 1 2 3 4, it's all actually 8, but I bought like 6, which is 2 4 2 4 5. I only buy 5, and it's just, these are only tools to help them in not just learn ABC, but in reading as well, and also writing. So for counting, then maybe we can buy it later on. Who knows, they might have more, what we call that, more sales, which is, who knows, buy 1 free 1 instead of 3 ringgit each. Okay, so that's all for my car boot library project. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions or ideas, just comment below and subscribe if you want to know more updates about my car boot library. So thank you very much for watching. Bye, take care.